Hi, my name is Chef Sarah, and I've been with Rebecca and the team for the past 10 years. I'm here visiting with one of my clients that I cook for weekly. Her name is Jileen, and I believe she's on her way now.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi, Jileen. And this is also Scarlett.
Hello, my name is Scarlett and you are doing the video. I love to eat Sarah's chocolate pudding.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, chocolate avocado puddings. Awesome. Good fats and chocolate, cacao powder. Jileen's here to tell you a little bit about her diet journey with Whole Health Every Day.
So I've been with Whole Health Every Day for over 4 years. And when they first came to me, I was a pescatarian. Then I started to go and I turned into a vegetarian. And then now, because of the knowledge and experience that Sarah had, I'm now basically vegan, plant-based food.
Oh, that's awesome, Jileen. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun and trying out so many new things, getting your favorites, but also in the pescatarian, the vegetarian, and plant-based diet. Yeah, you can make any meal plant-based, anything your favorites.
Yeah, not only did you step up to the challenge, but you just embraced it. And you were just so knowledgeable. I mean, it just, every meal was a new experience for me. And so that's why I was able to go into as a vegetarian.
Oh,
or
thank you.
Vegan.
Well, yeah, now vegan. You recently tried a new cleanse?
Oh, yes, with Arbonne, 30 Day.
Yeah.
And I could not have done that without you, fortunately, because I wouldn't have known what to eat and what not to eat. And so you prepared every meal for me, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, thank you. You feel like it taught you about portion control and how do you feel like with the detox? You feel your body feel great? Or
I have a lot of energy.
That's
a lot more. And when you have a little one like this,
yes,
eating the avocado chocolate pudding.
Yeah. Oh, I bet. No, good thing it's honey, or we can do monk fruit. But yeah, it's good stuff. So have you experienced any of our other Whole Health Everyday chefs?
Oh yeah. A handful of times. You well deserved a vacation. Here and there.
I try not to too much. I mean, I want to take care of my clients
and
as
I'm
best.
thankful for that.
No,
but every time, actually, my family has not even noticed that it wasn't your food. It was
awesome.
So we've had a handful of chefs in here, and it went off without a hitch.
That's so great to hear. We work so close together. We share a Dropbox, so we have everybody's recipes, and we bounce off each other, whether it be health information, health and wellness, new dietary restrictions, and the diet to take care of our clients. We work very well together, each chef at Whole Health Every Day.
Yep, wonderful.
Can you tell me a little bit about your family diet?
Oh, so my husband and my daughter are both meat eaters.
Yeah.
And so Chef Sarah had to get very creative.
Yeah.
And she is doing 3 meals 5 days a week, 3 different meals. And, it all works out.
That's awesome. I'm so glad to hear that. Thank you so much for your time today, and we appreciate you. And
yeah.
And when I'm hungry, I love oranges, apples, drinks, and water.
Oh, are those your favorites? Mm-hmm. That's awesome, Scarlett. All right, thanks so much.
And wait, I wanted to say one more thing.
Please.
So Whole Health is a top-notch organization. They're very professional, and I have and will recommend them to everyone.
We appreciate that, and we know you have in the past, and it means a lot to us at Whole Health Every Day. Thank you so much, Jileen.
See you later.
Thanks, Scarlett.
Bye, Betty.
Bye.